Part 2 of the sub and amp install. Basically, that hole that we used to feed the red cable through, basically it was incorrect. We shouldn't have done that because of the hole is sharp, innit?
Yeah, the hole is sharp. You can cut the cable, water can get in, and the main thing was the fuse. If it sparks, it should really be in the engine bay. So we've cut the cable to put the
fuse in.
Fuse in.
So we basically, that grommet that we lost, what I lost earlier or yesterday, I found it. I made a hole in that grommet to feed the wire through, so now it's more secure. So when I'm driving the car, or my wife's driving the car, she won't, well, the cable can't get damaged and won't cause a spark, which is not a good idea. So shout out to Chris, who actually notified us about this.
So yeah, we're going the right way.
Yeah.
Thank you, Chris.
I forgot his surname, but you know who you are, mate. And we've taken the fuse out from the boot to put here instead. And that's about it, really. If you've got any comments, give it a fire away, and then we'll be happy to assist.
Yeah, like people are assisting us, we would love to assist everyone else.
Indeed. Completed.
Grommet back, and the fuse now connected into the engine bay. Tucked away behind the battery. Fully sealed. Peace.